Welcome back. Thank you to my old and new subscribers. Thank you to every one of you who has supported me this far. I can't thank you guys enough. Like, you all are amazing. So beauties, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this hair I got from Ishow hair. So this is exactly how I received this package. All right, I haven't opened it. I don't know what to expect, so let's react to it. I'm going to do a lot with this hair today, so just stay tuned. I'm going to also install it in this very video, but firstly let's open it and see what it looks like and how it feels like. I'm definitely going to wash it before I install it, so just stay tuned. So alright, so it came with a pack of lash. So this is how this cute bag looks like, and their hair, their company's name is written on here, Ishow hair, 100% human hair. All right, it's a cute bag, you know, to store your hair. Yeah, that's cute. So let's go to the package. So this is how the box look like, and on the back of it, it has a lot of pictures, you know, showing you guys how to care for the hair and what to do and what not to do. All right, so everything, I think there's nothing like what not to do, because they said it's 100% human hair, so a lot should be done with this hair. All right, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to open it up for you because it's still sealed. Like I said, I haven't seen it. All right, okie dokie. Moment of truth. All right, so this is the hair. So inside the pack is just plain, easy, and it came with a mesh net, which is cool. All right, so this is the hair right here. Okay, so this is there's no description or anything along with it. The lace is somehow light, and if you've been following my channel, like if you've been following me, you know I am someone that doesn't like to do much. I just want that thing that will be so easy for me to walk away with, or to get away with, you understand? So coming to bleach hair, tint, dye, it's not my thing at all, you understand? So that's why I'm thinking this lace will be a bit light, but let's see how I can make it work for me with foundation or powder, which I haven't done before, but let's see. You can never tell. So it does feel good. Firstly, let me see if it sheds. It does shed a bit. It does shed a bit. I think one thing I've come to understand, that coily hair does shed more than straight hair, you understand? So, but anyways, I'm going to wash it right now. I'm going to wash and see what I have. But talk about the texture, it feels good. It feels good. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But let's see how I'm going to slay this. All right, so this is how it looks in here. So I'll be back. Okie dokie guys, so I am back. So this is how the hair looks after washing. It looks pretty cute, right? I know. So this is what it looks like, and I even forgot to tell you guys, it comes with 4 combs, right? Yeah, 4 combs, 3 on the front and 1 at the back, and it has this extra net at the back just in case you want to be extra, you know, with the back side of the hair. So which I think is super cool. All right, the hair came pre-plucked, which is good, so I don't have to, you know, start doing extra just to make the hairline looks natural. Thank God. I'm going to quickly try the hair on and see how it fits before I cut off the lace. Yeah, I like the size. The size is just perfect, you know, so you can have enough room to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace before I'll apply. I'll be using the ghost bond, of course. Yeah, I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. I've cut off the excess lace right here, and now I'm going to glue this baby girl down. Alright.